positive slope. Extend the line across the graph, add your arrows, and the graph is done. Beautiful. So this is a different example, y equals to negative 2x. So first of all, I know that my slope is negative 2 because that's the number in front of x. But I'm going to rewrite it as negative 2 over 1 because I like to see it as a fraction. That means instead of rising, because it's negative, I'm going to drop 2, and I'll show you what it means, and still run 1 to the right. So what is my y-intercept? The y-intercept is actually 0 because I'm not adding anything on at the end. You can think of myself as adding a 0. So I'll put my y-intercept at 0, which is actually the origin, drop 2 down and 1 to the right, which gives you a nice negative slope. You can see it's really nice and steep because the value 2 is a pretty high number. And it's negative, which means it's going to slope down and to the right. So just extend your line and add your arrows and you're done. So it's a nice negative steep slope.